Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are following our channel regularly, you might have come across the different real-life game controllers we have made using the Arduino board. The concept behind all of these videos is to play the game by providing physical input from the real world instead of using mouse and keyboard. Some of them are Bricks Breaker, Bike Controller, Bomberman, Dragon Jump, Pinball, and Airstrike. If you have not come across these videos, I'll leave all the links in the description box. You can visit from there. So in today's video also, we'll be making some interesting game controller. I randomly got an idea to combine the gaming and the exercise. The concept is to use any of the racing games and control the car acceleration based on the running speed. The proper method is to use a treadmill to calculate the running speed. Since I don't have, I end up using this force sensor. So here we are calculating the number of steps per second, and this data is mapped to car acceleration. Now quickly I'll show you how I made this. I have taken force sensor, and this helps to detect the steps while running, which will be placed on the ground. Using breadboard and Arduino, making some simple connections. Additionally, two push buttons for left and right controls. All connections are done. Connecting Arduino to the computer, I'll start programming.
2 hours later.
Uploading the program and converting the Arduino board into joystick. So everything works fine. Finally, setting up everything on the ground. And now it's time to start the game. Just to demonstrate the working in a better way, instead of running, I'll use my hand to tap the sensor. If I keep tapping the sensor at faster rate, accordingly the car acceleration in the game also increases.
5 right 40, over jump 80, over crest into 3 left 80, right, 100.
If I keep the hand constant on the sensor, car acceleration also comes down slowly. And for controlling the direction, I'm using these push
Over jump,
buttons.
80. 6 left, 80. Over crest. 3 left, 60. 3, 2, 1, go. Three left. 3 right. 2 left, 100. 4 left, 60. 1 right. 6 left, 40. Over jump, 80. 5 left, over crest. Over finish.
That's all for this video, guys. I hope it was interesting. In coming days, any chance if I get a treadmill, I'll try to make the version 2 of this project. Also, we'll be coming up with lot more interesting game controller videos. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram for more updates. Thank you for watching. I'll be back in the next video.